Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you add a custom crosshair on an MSI monitor. So here are quick settings on your gaming OSD crosshair. Method 1. Use the MSI monitor menu. Follow the below steps. Step 1. Press the joystick or menu button on the monitor. Step 2. Go to gaming or screen assistance or even smart crosshair. Step 3. Select the crosshair style and color. Step 4. Adjust the crosshair position if your monitor supports it. Step 5. Exit the menu to save the settings. Step 6. To quickly turn the crosshair on or off, press the joystick shortcut if supported. Method 2. Use a custom crosshair app. Follow the below steps. Step 1. Install a Crosshair app such as Crosshair X. Step 2. Open the app on your PC. Step 3. Choose or create or even import a custom crosshair. Step 4. Adjust the size, color as well as the position. Step 5. Launch your game and use the crosshair overlay. Method 3. MSI through color. It is only supported on some models. Step 1. Open MSI TrueColor. Step 2. Locate the crosshair image folder. Step 3. Replace a default crosshair image with your own PNG file. Step 4. Restart the software. Step 5. Select the custom crosshair in the app or monitor settings. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.